Hello YouTube, hope you all are well. I'm going to start one brand new series on stock market. This series is useful for both investors and traders, whether they are beginner or they want to start in stock market or they are professional. So in this series, we'll start with introduction of financial statements till your creation of your own portfolio. So the content will be first introduction of your balance sheet, P&L account and cash flow statement, which are your financial statement. In this we cover how to read these financial statements and important area where you need to focus much. Next topic we will cover on the fundamental analysis, where we will cover management analysis. In this management analysis we will talk about from where you will get the information to do the management analysis, how to study the behavior of management. In this fundamental analysis we will cover the financial ratios also. So the third topic will be the advanced side, which will be the technical analysis, in which we will cover how to read the different charts and graphs to track the share movement. So one thing I want to inform you here, long run में market हमेशा fundamentals and valuations पर depend करता है. For the investors, fundamental analysis is the most important point. And in the short run, market is driven by the sentiments and liquidity. So this technical analysis is more useful for the traders. So the basic difference between investor and trader is, investor are someone who invests his money for a long duration in a stock market. A trader is someone who purchase and sell the share frequently. And the last topic will be creation of your own portfolio. In this we will see how you can create your portfolio and how we will assess the risk with the help of beta and what will be your portfolio risk and how we can create our own portfolio to get a maximum return with less risk. So during this above discussion, we will talk about which tool you need to refer or from where you get this information. Those tools will be free and anyone can get access of those tools. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do it now and press the bell icon for the notification so that you won't miss any important videos. Thank you.